Esta casa ya lo sé que va a ser una casonona.
¿Cuál?
La que vamos a... Today is my mom's birthday, and I just want to say that one thing I love the most about her is her big heart. And she's right next to me, so she can hear me say all this. But it's so true. Look at, she's so beautiful.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you.
I just want to say she's a literal angel, always doing things to help other people. Every person in this world, like, take away the looks, the brain, everything, it's like the one thing that matters the most is your heart. And my whole life she's been such a generous, giving person, and she never expects anything in return. Oh, the Slaughter's Tree Farm, that's what it's called. That is so amazing. Wow, all those like miles and miles.
Back in the day, them shredded courthouse.
I cried. It was just so emotional to listen to my Uncle Gene's stories that he had to share about my father when he was growing up in this little town here in Virginia. How these events have shaped him to be the person he is today. And I was just so emotional. Like, even thinking about it right now makes me want to cry again. With Aunt Norma and Uncle Gene, it was nostalgic and bittersweet stories about how my dad grew up, his parents, and things and stuff like that. We went to visit Aunt Sudi. She was the sweetest. Dad thinks she's crazy, but Dad's also crazy, so they're both crazy together. And I couldn't stop crying towards the end because it's so hard to say goodbye. I'm okay. The last time we came here was 20 years ago, and I don't know when the next time I'm gonna see these people is. So
Give me those sweet tears of happiness.
So that's why this is so emotional for me. At a certain age, people get diseases and infections, that something will happen or they have not the same hearing or eyesight. And that's why it's important to visit your family when they're healthy, not at their funeral. Spend more time with Aunt Norma, Uncle Gene, and Aunt Sudi. I feel like I've already learned so much about myself.
Stressful.
I felt like complete to see some of my dad's family, which I never see. Literally, he has no family where we live in South Texas. It's just all of my mom's family. And yeah, seeing them all for the first time was very emotional for me, and I hope this isn't the last time, you know. And Aunt Sudi, if you're watching this, it was so lovely to meet you. You're a fabulous lady, beautiful. Aunt Norma, you're also fabulous, you're beautiful. Uncle Gene, so lovely to meet you, you're amazing. And I loved seeing all the pictures in the house.
Which? There it is, right there in the woods.
Hola, Ma.